San Francisco, a city known for its iconic landmarks and stunning natural beauty, is a hub of creativity, culture, and innovation. With its unique charm and character, San Francisco has become a must-visit destination for travelers from around the world. San Francisco has a rich history that dates back to the Gold Rush era. Over the years, it has evolved into a modern and vibrant city that celebrates its past while looking towards the future. San Francisco is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks, including the Golden Gate Bridge and Alcatraz Island. These landmarks have become iconic symbols of the city's rich history and culture. San Francisco is a city that is always buzzing with creativity and innovation. It has a thriving arts and culture scene that showcases some of the world's most exciting and innovative work. San Francisco's arts and culture scene is a blend of traditional and modern, with stunning galleries and museums showcasing some of the world's most exciting and innovative art. San Francisco is home to some of the world's best chefs and restaurants. Its cuisine is a mix of flavors and styles that reflect the city's diverse cultural influences. San Francisco's food scene is a celebration of the city's diverse cultural influences, with a wide range of international cuisines and fresh, locally sourced ingredients. San Francisco is a city that is always at the forefront of innovation and entrepreneurship. It's a place where people come to turn their ideas into reality. San Francisco's tech industry and startup scene have made it one of the most innovative and exciting places in the world. It's a hub of creativity and entrepreneurship that is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. San Francisco is a city that will capture your heart and leave you wanting more. Its mix of history, culture, and innovation is truly unique, and it's a place that you'll never forget.